Here's a second video I'm shooting of the Canadian warship here at the Port of Montreal. Here it's the 27th of October 2025. Yeah, it's just too bad I came here too late to get the tour of the ship, but at least I can get a view of it here from the pier. This is the Margaret Brooke. I'm not quite sure exactly what this is. It looks like it's a destroyer maybe, or one of the new destroyers maybe, or a patrol vessel, I'm not sure exactly. That is cool. That's a cool view right here.